Guys, this is part 4 of our engineering economy video. Today the topic is payback period or simple cash flow. So the problem is ito yung project cash flow. Year 0 is yung investment, which is 5,000. So yung 5,000, ilang year natin makukuha, okay? Simple cash flow lang, kahit ano. Ganito lang, cumulative cash flow. After year 1, after year 1, say Y1, ito yung 50,000. So ang year 1 mo daw is may 15,000, so plus 15,000. So ang year 2, magiging na lang tong 50,000 minus 15 kasi ito negative, so magiging siyang negative 35,000. Okay? Plus 20,000. So, ang year 3 mo magiging i-minus mo ulit. This is 10,000 na lang. Plus 20,000. Kasi yung year 3 is 20,000. Okay, 20. Okay. May year 4 pa, pero ang investment mo, na-recover mo na kasi this is positive ka na ditong 5,000. No? So, yung recovered fraction of 3 year needed amounting at the remaining end is, okay, ito yung 15,000. Meron ka pang year 4, so 15,000 divided by 20,000 is equals to 0.75. Okay, year. So, the payback, yung payback period will be 2 years plus 0.75 years. Kasi dito, okay, sobra na dapat eksakto lang. So, sa 3 years, may sobra ka ng 5,000. So, kinuha natin itong ratio na ito yung in years. So, this is 2.75 years. Okay, ano ka na dyan? Bayad ka na. Sa simple cash flow. Wala dyan interest kasi cash flow lang naman yan. Okay guys, okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video, which is internal rate of return. See you guys.